450 and get your
Backup intelligence report
on the mix.
With locations and goals
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This